Alright, we're back in the kitchen. This is your boy B Sharp. And these are 3 of the pieces of chicken breast that I took off the grill. And this here is the bag that I have that's still marinating. I'm letting it get a little bit more marinated into the meat. You can never marinate too long. And I know somebody may say, oh no, you can marinate too long, it'll be all messed up. Well, I'm just saying that I'm not going to have it in there for 30, 40 hours. I'm just sitting it right there next to me, so when I'm done, I'm going to take it outside. Now, the reason I'm showing you this, because I want to cut into these pieces, and you can see that they are done, and how nice they look. I'm going to use just the knife by itself, no fork, because I got one hand left, and it's holding the camera. All right. You hear that crackling? That's the nice crispness. And you still got juice there. And let you see the inside. See, get this cut here. And you see the inside. See how done it is. And if you want, you can get your own knife and fork and take a bite out of your monitor, but it won't help because you ain't eating this. There you go. See? Nice and done. That one is done. Both sides are done. And that's one of the thick ones. Let's see, I think this one has about as much thickness. You can see that juice right there. See, that's juice. That's ready to go. Cut this one open too. You hear the crispness when I cut it. Alright, and again, if you're tuning in late, I'm only using one hand because I got one hand available. Other hand's holding the camera. One hand's on the knife. Alright, look at that. That's done too. Chicken breast is done, ready to go. I'm going to cut this off, get my plate ready for my salad. I'll holler back at you. Alright, peace.